Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. So let's talk a little bit about the jobs numbers that we wound up getting today that led to some more market redness, especially in our tech stocks and anything that was really a high valuation stock, high PE, and especially if you're not profitable and you have a high PE, then man, you just been getting slapped this week, and our jobs numbers definitely didn't help. So unemployment rate, we actually came in with a good beat. We came in with a 3.9% over our 4.1% expected. So that's only about a 0.2 of a beat. So nothing crazy there, but you know, markets, when they first saw that headline, they reacted rather positively and were actually happy for a brief moment until they kept reading down the report and got to wage inflation, where we got a 4.7% year over year on wage inflation. But the more important nasty number that really sent markets down today was the month over month data. We got a 0.6 month over month wage inflation, which annualizes out to about 7.2% annual rate of wage inflation, which is just really, really nasty and really bad. To give you an example of what we had last month in November, we were at 0.4 month over month, and the year over year actually was higher last month at 5.1. But yeah, the really important number that the market really cares about is that month over month data, and with that coming in at a 0.6, that's just what sent the market right back down. So let's kind of talk a little bit about now what we have going forward for the rest of this month, and how we should expect the market to kind of react as we progress through January. So next week, we actually on Tuesday, I think it is. You'll have to check me on that one, but I think it's on Tuesday. Jerome Powell's actually come out and do a little bit of a testimony in front of the markets and on the media and everything like that. I'm really not too sure what he's going to be talking about. I think he's just going to be addressing more inflation fears and everything like that, and maybe trying to coddle the market a little bit, but we'll see what he says. And then what is for sure is that on Friday next week, I think it's Friday the 14th, then we have CPI data come out, and that's going to be so dang important. I mean, if we get another bad read on CPI data, which we honestly might, it's looking more and more possible, especially with this bad wage inflation data that we just got today, it's looking even more possible, then it can mean that we're going to get even more red in the market coming up here soon. So really watch that CPI data. I didn't write down the expectation. That's my own fault before I started recording this video, but I'll mention it in another video here next week. I'll make sure I get the expectation. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to get that expectation for the CPI data, and we can watch it together and see what it comes in as together. And then after we get CPI data next week, then I know we have the FOMC meeting on the 24th to the 25th. And obviously we'll get a little bit of probably some type of an interview with Jerome Powell or one of the Fed board members, either after or before they actually do those minutes meetings and everything like that this month. So that's kind of what we have coming up on the economic calendar for January. And really the big important one's going to be that CPI for the rest of this month. If we get another nasty read on that CPI, man, we could just keep on having more and more red weeks like we did this week. And you know, as much as it's nice to get discounts, it is also kind of nice to have a little bit of green in the market and to actually see the portfolio go up instead of down every single day. So anyway, guys, just to kind of wrap things up, today I did some more buying like I've been talking about now all week, basically not selling any of my current positions. I haven't been selling anything all week. I've just been buying more and more and more. And I did the same thing today. I bought some more of my favorites once more. I bought a firm yesterday. I bought a firm again today. I bought Enphase again today. I bought some Matterport today. I bought some SoFi today. I bought some EXPI today. I bought quite a bit of different things today because everything is just looking really, really good. One thing that I did notice that was kind of interesting to me today was that Robinhood, amid all this chaos, has kind of stopped falling. It seems like Robinhood's maybe finding a floor. So I'm kind of watching that because it might be a decent trade to maybe get into, but I'm not a huge fan of Robinhood myself, and so I'm not too sure if I'm going to, but it's definitely interesting to see Robinhood in this sea of pain wind up sitting green for the day, while we had a lot of other companies that are, in my opinion, are far superior, still go red. So, you know, I'm going to keep my eye on that next week, and we'll see how it reacts on Monday, especially because for all we know, it might just go right back to going straight to zero on Monday. But anyway, guys, so yeah, that's kind of a recap of what happened in the stock market today. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a like down below. Also subscribe if you're interested in seeing these daily market update videos, and I am going to really try really hard to give you guys some foresight as well, kind of like how I was mentioning the different dates that we have economically coming up for the rest of this month, just so you guys are aware of what dates are coming up, and you guys can kind of strategize whatever you guys are going to do around that. It's really just a good idea to have an economic calendar essentially for yourself, and that way you kind of know where these big dates are. And if you're a day trader especially, you can kind of swing off of some of this stuff. Like if you would have thought that, hey, today I'm pretty dang sure that we're going to have bad wage inflation, then maybe you would have bought puts yesterday or something like that. I don't know, but either way, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit the like button down below. And again, if you want to see more content like this or anything real estate, stock, crypto related in the future, hit that subscribe button down below as well, and join the Modern Money community. So anyway, guys, you have a great rest of your weekend, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.